Alright, hello Monica. Here's 414. The longest problem so far, but the easiest. So now, you're going to come over to your calculator. Go ahead and just clear your work for good measure. Now, you're going to use what's called a cash flow table. So it's this little CF key right there. You're going to click it. Now, CF of 0 equals 0. Click through. As you can see, there's still work there. So you're going to click second and clear work. Now, there should just be zeros when you click the down arrow key. Now, you're going to leave CF of 0, 0. And then, as you can see on this table, year 1 is $100. So you're going to input $100 and click enter for cash flow 1. Click the down arrow. Now the frequency automatically inputs itself as 1 because you at least are making one payment. You click enter. Click the down key, get ready to enter cash flow 2. Now, as you can see, cash flow for year 2 is 400. Cash flow for year 3 is also 400. Cash flow for year 4 is also 400. So that means you can go over and for cash flow 2, you enter 400. Click enter. Click the down arrow key, and for frequency, instead of entering 1, enter 3. It happens for 3 years in a row. And click enter. Click the down arrow key. You're going to input cash flow 3, which is $300. With a frequency of 1. Now you're going to click on net present value. You're going to input the interest rate, which in the problem is 8%. You're going to click enter. Click the down arrow. Now it says NPV and just click compute. Gives you a net present value of $1,251 and then brought out to 4 decimal places. You do the same thing for cash flow, stream B. So you're going to do second and clear your work. You're going to go to your cash flow table. As you can see, there's still stuff inputted. So make sure to second and clear your work. And then you'll just enter the payments as they appear. So 300. It appears once. 400. It appears 3 times. Oop. If you mess up, you can just enter on click the clear right there and hit enter. 400. Appears 3 times in a row. Cash flow 3 is 100. With 1 for a frequency. Interest rate is still 8. Enter. Compute the net present value of 1,300 and then the change brought out to 4 decimal places. Now, the part B of the problem says what happens when the interest rate is 0. So, since this this table's already in, just change your interest rate to 0. Click enter. Go down to net present value. Click compute. Change the value to 1,600. And you can do that also for cash stream A, which value will also be 1,600.